In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp or your Chrome browser. So to use WhatsApp or your Chrome browser, firstly open Chrome browser, then type WhatsApp web. So type WhatsApp web, then click on this first link or click on WhatsApp web where it's written. Now to use WhatsApp on your computer, there is three steps. Open WhatsApp on your phone firstly. Tap menu on your device, then click on settings. Then click on WhatsApp web. So firstly click on menu and then click on settings and select WhatsApp web and then select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So now guys, we can see we have the WhatsApp on this Chrome browser, and we can chat and we can send the messages to using this Chrome browser. So hopefully friends you like this video, and by this quick method we can know how to use WhatsApp on web. Thanks for watching.